we get done.
Go.
Ouch!
We are.
Now what are you gonna do?
Huh? Held on for dear life.
Look at his tail going.
Come on. Come on. Not you. I said you too. Hi, baby. Crazy.
And little Charlie behind Grandma.
You crazy kitty. Yes, I love you too.
Little Charlie.
You my baby. You my number one baby, honey.
Charlie. Watch him climb. Watch him climb. Miss Wally.
Yes, nobody forgot about you, honey.
Yes, they did.
No, they didn't.
Oh, he wants back up in the trash can. He's been tired. Watch him. Little booger.
What are you doing back there?
I'd watch your leg, Mommy.
What is she do? What is he doing back there behind my back?
He's playing with his paws.
I knew that was coming.
I told you to watch your leg.
What is that crazy kitten doing?
You little fucker! Come here, you little fucker! What are you doing? What are you doing, Eddie?
With you in my lap. You get down here.
Watch again.
Jump in the chair.
He's going to look too. Watch him.
I know.
He wants that trash can. Now he wants what you got. He's like, I'm not interested in the trash can anymore. See? Charlie's looking down like you see it.